Hello, my name is Anne Kahora and I'll be your host for our today's topic. Today we are going to look at the topic color scheme, mostly found under the unit Color Theory in Fashion and Design course. I'm hoping that we will be able to learn more about color schemes. Welcome. Let us begin with neutral color schemes. Neutral colors are muted shades that appear to lack color but often have underlying hues that change with different lighting. Neutral color schemes can be easier to live with than vibrant color schemes. True neutral colors are black, white, and shades of gray. Browns are also considered neutral. To make this scheme look best, use a variety of textures and shapes to add interest. Next, we are going to look at the monochromatic color scheme. Mono means one, so this color scheme uses one color. It gives the impression of simplicity and cleanliness. You can use variations in lightness and saturation of the same color. Use tints and shades of a single hue. The main tint or shade should be easy to live with and can be accentuated by more intense shades. What is the advantage of using a monochromatic color scheme? It is visually appealing and well balanced. This scheme is not an appropriate choice if you are trying to express energy or vibrancy, since it uses one color. Moving on, we have the analogous color scheme. With the analogous color scheme, you use colors that are close to one another on the color wheel. Typically, you choose 3 colors, but you can use a minimum of 2 or a maximum of 5 adjacent colors. Now let us look at the complementary color scheme. This color scheme employs colors that are directly opposite to each other on the color wheel. The color pairs always consist of either a primary color with a secondary color or 2 tertiary colors. An example, we have red and green, yellow and violet, blue and orange. Example of 2 tertiary color combinations, we have red-orange and blue-green, yellow-green and red-violet. When placed next to each other, complementary colors intensify each other. When you mix them together, they neutralize each other, producing a duller color. In addition, let us look at the variation of the complementary color scheme, which is split complementary color scheme. Here, we use a primary color and 2 intermediate colors on either side for its complement. It is often found in floral prints and braids to create strong contrast in colors. For example, the secondary hue violet with the intermediate hues of yellow-green and yellow-orange. The primary color yellow with accents of blue-violet and red-violet in the flower arrangement of the table. Moving on to the tetradic color scheme. Tetra means 4. This color scheme is also known as the rectangle color scheme. It takes 4 colors that are 2 sets of complementary pairs, for example, orange, yellow, blue, and violet, and chooses one dominant color. This allows rich, interesting designs. However, one should watch for the balance between warm and cool colors. Finally, we have the square color scheme. The square color scheme uses 4 colors equidistant from each other on the color wheel to create a square or diamond shape. While this is evenly spaced on the color scheme, it provides substantial contrast to your design. It is a good idea to select one dominant color rather than trying to balance all the 4 colors. We have now come to the end of our topic of discussion. Thank you for listening. I have been your host, Anne Kahura.